Hi guys. So ayan. So I just arrived here in Naga a few hours ago. So ayan. So fresh from Manila and from Boracay. So I decided to do this sit down video immediately. So alam niyo naman yan, every time I travel abroad, every time I travel outside of Naga, like out of town, Cebu, Manila, or wherever, I immediately do the sit down video right after I arrive in my uh, home base, hometown. So, yan. So, yon. First of all, I would like to thank everybody for all your warm greetings, all your warm birthday greetings. So, I'm very, very happy. Um, my heart is full, full of gratitude to all of you who greeted me on my birthday last July 24. So yon, thank you very much. And for all the people that became part of my life for the past 53 years. So 53 years, so of course, I want to thank my mom for giving birth to this beautiful lady. Ha! Beautiful lady. And of course, I spent my birthday week with my daughter. So this is the first time after very long time kasi nung mga maliliit pa sila, every summer, actually birthday ni Princess kasi April, so summertime yon. So, I always organize swimming for the family, for his kuya, for the dad, and Princess, kaming apat, lagi yan. We went out for a summer vacation nung maliliit pa sila. And ngayon, I think this is the first time that hindi naman first time, siguro yung mga last time, hindi pa siya ganyan adult, hindi pa siya ganyan ka-grown up. Yung bit-bitin pa ba? Yung mga tipong 9 years old, 10 years old. Or no, hindi ko na maalala when was, hindi, naalala ko na. Tawag dito, the first time she arrived here in Naga, tawag dito, nagpunta kami dinala kami ng mga estudyante ko dito sa mga beach dito. Actually, hindi beach yung sa Panikwason, we went there. Tapos, wala kami napuntahan yata na beach So, this is one of the most, this is actually what I manifested. This is what I actually put in my vision board to have a memorable experience or memorable vacation with my daughter and with my mom. Yung kay mother, siguro one of these days or I'll plan na dalhin siya dito sa Naga. But yon, so bucket list check na ako dun sa so memorable vacation with my daughter. So yon, actually I planned this last year pa. Kasi gano'n naman when I do and print out my vision board, a year before. So mga year end, plans ko yan. So sabi ko nga, July, my birthday month, that's when I will schedule a trip for both of us in Bora. And it was our first time in Bora. Imagine ako, narating ko yung ganitong age, hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Bora. So, sabi ko, I think I need to go to Bora. Everybody else was talking about Bora and ako pa lang yung hindi pa nakakapunta doon. But it's not the inggit type, no? It's actually parang sa amin ni Princess, it's both our first time to experience Bora and we really had a good time, literally. So yan, so ano pa ba? So I just arrived, yung kalat ko, ayan pa. So the first thing that I do every time I arrive here in my hometown Naga, pag galing ako ng travel, inaanpa ko na. Yung mga basa ko pala na mga damit na ginamit sa Bora, iniwan ko na sa Las Piñas kay Princess na she will be the one to manage the laundry kasi pumupunta naman dun si Joanna every weekend. So sabi ko dyan na lang kasi basa, mabigat sobra. So I just do not know why I still have a lot of stuff from Manila that I brought here in Naga. Sabi ko, ano ba? Alam niyo, ang pangarap ko lang talaga sa buhay is yung mag-pack ako ng things ko when I go to a vacation. And when I travel, na yun lang ang magagamit ko, na I really, really want to pack light, but I cannot do it. Help me. So, yun ang arte. So yan, so inunpack ko na lahat, nilinis ko na yung maleta ko because next week I am going to pack again for Manila trip lang naman to because I will be attending MUFEX and then it's our graduation on August 10. So yan, so ito, after I finish this video, siguro ayusin ko na muna to and then I'll have a very good sleep. And then I think I want a massage later. And then, yun yung mga bagay na dapat kong gawin. So, bakit ako nag-vlog for today? Yun lang. I want to thank everybody who greeted me on my birthday. It was memorable. And my birthday for 2025 is such a memorable experience. Just like last year. Last year, I celebrated my birthday in Cebu. I went to Savoy, Newport, Mactan Beach. So ayan, so with Cap. So I was like I arrived in Cebu 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I think I spent around 5 to 6 days in Cebu, if I'm not mistaken, last year. And it was fun also because I was able to enjoy all the food ng Cebu, grabe. So yun, and then this year I'm so happy that I get to celebrate my birthday with my daughter. So ito, unahin ko nang i-upload to sa aking YouTube channel without editing. Everything is raw. I will upload this in my YouTube channel, and then some of the clips and photos that we've got, huge photos. Gagawin ko siya later if hindi ako tinamad. So, sinort ko na yung mga per day photos ko in an album para hindi na ako nahihirapang mag-edit. So, sabi ko nga, photos is really one of my medium, or this is I love taking photos for memories. Kasi every time it pops out in my FB memories. Parang maalala mo kagad na, same time last year na I was there, I was with this person, I was like eating this delicious food or dish from that place. So yun lang, talagang sa akin kahit na sumasabog na yung aking telepono na dahil ang dami ng photos and videos, I really don't mind. So I'm happy that itong mga phone na nabibili ko talagang it can actually accommodate all the photos and videos that I really want to upload on a daily basis. Bukod dun sa trabaho ko, bukod dun sa work ko, I upload the photos of my students and their works. And then my personal stuff, meron din akong ganyan. So yeah, kaligayahan ko yan. So for those people who ask me why I upload a lot on my social media platform, it's my way of, preserving memories and rekindling and reminiscing, the memories that I have with the place that I went to, that I traveled to, and the food that I have experienced, the culture and all. So for me, memories are really priceless. And also, sabi ko nga, when you travel, this is really me, no? Every time I plan for my birthday na talagang merong something memorable for me. Kasi I'm not the type of person na, sa kanya, gastos lang yan, ganito, ganyan. Siguro sa susunod ko na lang siya gagawin. Sa akin, hindi kasi. Every time na I have this thought of doing something, I immediately execute it. No, I immediately implement. Parang office ang dating, corporate. I immediately do something about it. No, kasi it's like the universe is telling me, do this right now. Because you cannot do this tomorrow, you cannot do this next year, next month, the next couple of years. So, ganun ako. So, whenever I plan, I make sure na matutupad ko siya. And I have been visioning a lot for the travel that I want to do this year and the next coming years. Kasi, yun nga, it's really very important that we preserve memories with our loved ones. Kasi we never know hanggang kailan tayo dito sa mundo, di ba? So, not that I want to be morbid or something, but it's the reality, no? Everybody will die. All of us will die sooner or later. Una-unahan lang yan. So, for me, might as well spend the rest of your days happy with your family, with your friends, and whoever you want to spend your life with. So for me, I chose to be with my daughter and my mom this year on my birthday. But last year naman, even if I went to Cebu, I'll always make it a point na to spend some time also with my family. Parang ano yan last December that I decided to spend the holidays in Cebu and New Year in Cebu. Bago pa naman ako nagpunta doon, I planned na I will take my family out for dinner na lahat kami. So, yeah, it was really, really fun. And it's my way of balancing everything para hindi ako nabubugnot sa buhay ko. Kasi may mga times kasi na if I work so hard and I don't have time to at least unwind, medyo nababurn out ako Pero pag naka-mindset ako na for this months, 3 months na ganyan, or 6 months, I will work, then titingin ako ng window where I can plot the schedule for my vacation. That's how I do everything. So, yun. Ganun din. Kapag naman, hindi naman ako yung tipong mayat-maya na lang travel. Unless it's a business trip, which it happens naman sa amin dito sa school. We visited branches every year. So, hindi naman yun kasali. Actually, nababurnout nga ako pag nagta-travel kami sa school I really feel so tired because we transferred from one branch to another, and then you just have to pack everything para dire-diretso na kasi yun so you don't have time to go back to your hometown to pack again and then leave, but it's all simultaneous and spontaneous, parang ganyan. So what else? And yun nga, just to wrap up my take on this birthday travel, the memories, of course, the memories that I will be remembering in the next years. Halimbawa, mas tumanda na ako, ganyan. So, meron ako mga memories na I will cherish and I will keep. Of course, the memories that I got, that I spent with my daughter this year, with my mom. So this is something that you cannot, what do you call that? It's priceless, no? Yan, hindi yan mababayaran ng pera, yung memories. So for me, hanggat kaya, hanggat able tayo, kasi ako naman, ayoko mag-ipon ng pera just to spend it for my hospitalization in the future. So ang ano ko na lang talaga, ang goal ko na even tell my daughter about this, na sabi ko nga, wala akong ipamama ng pera sa'yo or ari-arian, but I'll make sure I'll stay healthy up until my last days here on earth, na hindi ka gagastos ng pang-hospital ko, hindi ka gagastos ng panggamot ko, but I will die on a natural death. Yung tipong pag hindi na lang ako magigising. Ganon. Yun yung minamanifest ko. And I think I've heard about it, I've heard it from my dad, which it happened. Ganon naman talaga Pagka talagang minamanifest mo, it really happened. My dad died just, hindi naman na siya nadala sa hospital. I don't wanna, naiiyak na naman tuloy ako. Basta ganon yung nangyari. So, for me, ang sabi ko lang kay Princess, ang promise ko sa kanya, maybe, pagka mas tumanda na ako, kung hanggang kailan ako aabutin, I'll make sure na I'll just die naturally, na wala siyang iintindihin. Because, mag-isa lang siya Wala naman siyang ibang kapatid na and I don't want to be a burden to anyone. And that's what I'm manifesting, and I'm doing it on my own. Na I want to stay healthy para naman, yun nga, pagtanda ko, walang magiging problema si Princess sa akin. So, yun. So, yun yung mga bagay-bagay. Nag-emotional ako bigla. Di ba? So, I think I have to end my vlog, my sit-down video here because naiiyak-iyak na ako. Baka ako sumikat. So, again, I would like to thank everyone who greeted me on my special day. Thanks for the memories that I have with you. And yeah, hopefully by next year, I'm still healthy, and I'm still able to travel to different places. So, ang next in my bucket list siguro ay sabi ni Princess, maganda daw sa Siquijor. So, let's see when I will, nabulol. Yun, nabulol na talaga. So, tingnan natin kung kailan tayo matutuloy sa Siquijor for another travel vlog. Bye, guys!